Hello friends, what do you think? How is electricity produced? And how can you generate at least 4 or 5 volts at home? You can see in this video. Watch it until the end. Alright guys, right now we're going to try to pull off power from a 12-volt DC electric motor. Let's see if we can make it happen.
We're going to measure how many volts are coming out using a simple multimeter. Let's see the numbers live.
We're going to try to spin it using a power drill. And we get very good. Our motor is cranking out 5 to 6 volts of DC. Alright, let's do this. The big question, can this motor power our simple house light bulb? Let's find out. We're trying it. We're swapping out the 24-volt bulb for a 12-volt one. Let's see the difference. Yes, power achieved. Our motor is strong enough to light up the light bulb. Fantastic!
Thank you for your time. For more creative DIY content, please subscribe to the channel.